to the Rise Barbecue. You know what I mean? Come through, get a drink, get some food, kick it. We got folks pulling up. It's early, but I'm telling you, don't stay tuned. We got more for y'all.
Here we go. Here we go. My boy.
What up?
Yeah, you're like Santa Claus right now, bro.
He's over here. I don't know if you saw.
Yeah. First thing I saw, I put my helmet on there. Yeah, I finally made it to pick up my bike. Joe over there took care of it. I wasn't able to figure out what was wrong with the rear brake issue, so I had to bring it over to Rod Cycles. And luckily, my boy took care of it in like a day or two. So, what ended up being the problem, bro, with my bike?
The lever's not retracting. Like, I can show you how it is on mine.
This is Joe's bike right here.
But you basically have like this pivot right here. There's like a bushing there, and the bushing was like real dry, and it was kind of just getting caught, so it wasn't springing back. So the brake would stay pressed down. That's why you couldn't roll back in neutral or in gear with the clutch in or whatever.
Oh,
it's just squeezing that back brake.
That's crazy. Yeah, see, I would have never figured that out.
You know what's funny is as soon as I pulled it in, like once you were gone, I pushed it, and then I saw it. I saw it didn't come back. I was like, no way. And I just grabbed my hand and
oh, wow.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. That was pretty fast.
Yeah.
And when I came, actually, I didn't record any footage for it, but there was at least like 5 or 6 bikes that he was already working on.
Pretty slammed, but
so I really appreciate that he was able to
get everything out of the way too, you know, for tomorrow.
Yeah.
For the barbecue.
Yeah, they do have that barbecue. Here she is.
Yeah, so it was this bushing right here. You could see like there's even like a little bit of grease still right there, but it was right here that it was getting caught up.
Wow, bro.
Yeah, because it was. I was remembering, I was like, we did the brake fluid, you know, and it felt good.
Yeah, I remember that.
The clutch was fine too, you know. So as soon as I brought it in, I noticed like I had to like it was stuck down here. You see how it'll come back up?
Yeah.
But it'd be stuck down here and you'd have to like pull it all the way up.
Damn.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I rode it, I want to say like 10 miles, got it real warm. And then every time I was like at a red light or whatever, I tried to roll it back.
Nice.
And it was fine, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm ready to take her out, bro. It's a beautiful day today,
Yeah,
so.
oh, yeah. The good thing is you don't need any parts, you know?
Yeah.
If it keeps happening, I would say, all right, let's start by replacing that bushing. You know?
Okay.
But it's
We'll
been
see.
working well. Yeah.
All right, brother. Yeah, I'll let you know, definitely. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, hell yeah,
you
man.
guys come check him out, bro. You guys need your bike worked on.
Everything y'all
This is
need.
the man right here, Rod Cycles. Quick turnaround, cheap prices. Come check him out. Want to give a huge shout out to Joe. This is his bike. What he's been able to do with this thing is amazing. All my love and respect go to you, brother. If you guys need any help with your bikes, are planning to chop it up, reach out to Joe. Just ride over to Rod Cycles and have a conversation with the guy. He's a great guy.
This one's going to be going up for something too.
This one's bad, bro. Sports cars. Keep an eye out for this one. This will be for sale soon. The homies actually made this seat. How crazy is this?
It's good.
that's how you meet people, bro. Like, nice. Meet people off the bikes and they share a common interest, and you and then fucking does coffee. Some guys weld, some guys do yard work, some guys do construction. We gotta have a guy for certain. Yeah. I'm a hell yeah. And also, you got Big Irvin in the house with the soft tail. Hell yeah, boys. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Papa? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
What's up, big dog?
How's it going?
It's going good, man. Happy to see you guys. That's so cool. Rolling up with the boys. Long time no see, Bear. How you doing, brother? Good to see you.
Good to see you, man.
What's up, Frank?
How you doing?
Good, brother. Good to see you guys. Hell yeah.
So, man, I've been watching you guys with unaffiliated. My name's Eddie, bro. Yeah, man.
Big Urban.
Right?
My man. How you doing, brother? Good to see you, bro. The bike's looking good, huh? It's been a while since I've seen it.
Still running, man. Still running, you know? I gotta do what I gotta do.
Few changes I see, huh?
Yeah, a little bit. Not many, man. Just keeping it, low key right now.
Yeah.
I still gotta go to Back Alley Cycles for some work, but
Back alleys, that's the man.
I still gotta go to Back Alley.
We got the whole crew right here. Back alley. We got rods.
What's up, Bear? I'm glad you came, man. The boys are in the hood. Yes.
Glad to see you, man. How you doing?
What up?
Hell yeah.
What's up, big dog?
Man, I haven't seen your bike in a while, bro.
Yeah.
Any changes? Any dramatic changes or anything?
No, it's
Same old, same old?
I have a new suit coming, but
Okay.
I don't know when.
Okay.
Come on in, y'all.
Bro, now that's an entrance. That was fucking sick.
Thank you, man.
That was rad, bro. What's up, brother? How you guys doing?
Did you get at least a good shot?
Sheesh. Whole thing. That's the man right there. The homie Greg's here. Hell yeah.
Everything's riding the world. You dropped something.
Ahí está, viejo. Ahí está. Yeah. You fit perfectly in it. Look at that. Yeah, there you go. Don't turn 30. Don't turn 30.
Like an Evo motor with the foot in here. What? Evo Sport? I'm sorry.
You're good, G.
Are you looking to sell it or? Yeah.
It looks alright.
But my thing was, I wanted to. I was like, well, yeah.
You're gonna bring it out?
Yeah, I'll bring it out. I need my frames, my glasses. I gotta be cool when I bring it out.
Swaggin'. I don't know if we want to sing happy birthday, but...
We got the rock band. Tell them to do it. The rock is put some jams out.
Anniversary with Rod Cycles.
No, it's his birthday, actually, though.
It's both.
1 year anniversary for Joe and his birthday.
Yo, the candles aren't gonna make it.
Where's he at? Hold on.
He's gonna I'm gonna cover. Yeah, right.
Hold on, slower. Way slower. Way slower. Way slower.
You want me to stand in front of you?
Yeah. No, we're not singing happy birthday. Oh shit, man. Hey yo, everybody, yo, I want to make an announcement. You know, thanks for coming to Ride Cycles, man. This was appreciation, you know, for everybody supporting us. Man, this is just a vision we kind of had to just kind of do something different that no one else is doing. No business, no company. They don't care about people. They just for profit. This just for y'all, you know. And most of all, this is about Joe.
Yeah! Big Joe! Let's go, Joe!
Joe's birthday was 2 days ago,
Yeah.
and also today is Joe's 1 year anniversary as on the team, and this is appreciation for fucking Joe.
Let's go, Joe! Yeah! Let's go, Joe.
That's my guy. This is for him, man. This is for him, man. You know, he's 50% of this. This cannot happen without this man right here. So
Amen.
I'm gonna always celebrate this dude.
Amen.
Thank you, man.
Hell yeah.
We love you. Yo, you can't write this shit.
Run it back, we'll get the second cake.
Hold up, we do. We have another cake. Hold up.
Much love, Joe. Much love, big dog.
Thank you, thank you,
Yeah.
thank you.
Come on, guys. Let's get in the middle. Come on. There we go.
Here we go.
Let's go. Oh. Oh.
I'll go over the beer.
VIP. You will always have access to anything we do.
I need a rim. I need a tire change.
Johnny Hollywood. What up, Johnny Hollywood?
My man.
My guy.
Hey, great
My
party,
guy.
bro.
Thanks a lot, man.
Great party,
coming.
bro.
Yo.
Hell yeah. Hey, you guys rocked it, bro. Everyone loves what you guys did, man. You guys killed it. Nice set, bro. You guys rocked it. I appreciate it. You guys rocked it.
Thank you.
Good.
Yo, that shit is dope. Damn.
So what you guys think of your turnout, huh?
It was cool, man. The whole point was we just wanted to have fun.
Yeah,
As long as
man.
we have fun and our friends have fun.
I think you
That's all that
accomplished
matters,
that
man,
110% today.
Yo, straight up, man. Straight up. So everybody else, y'all gonna get to have fun with us and
Yes,
how we
sir.
do it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
So yeah, we had fun. It was a great turnout. I
Much love,
that.
bro. We got
Had
nothing but
fun.
love and respect for you guys.
Hell
Thank you for you
yeah.
guys hosting this, putting this together.
Ah.
That was a good time. You guys look forward to the next one.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
Yeah, yes, sir.
It goes up from here.
It goes up from here. Like this is not a bad place to build up from.